Leela's mornings always felt like a storm rushing, spilling things, forgetting things, and running out the door with her thoughts tangled. One morning, her elderly neighbor noticed her frustration and gently tapped a spoon against Leela's mug. Ting! That sound, the neighbor said, is one moment. Notice it. Curious, Leela tried. She listened to the spoon. She felt the warmth of her cup. She breathed slowly, just once. The storm softened. Throughout the day, she practiced noticing small things, the rhythm of her footsteps, the taste of her lunch, the sunlight drifting across her desk. Life didn't get easier, but it suddenly felt less heavy, because she was meeting each moment instead of racing past it. The next morning, she stirred her tea and heard the faint ting again. This time, she smiled. A single moment was enough.